Welcome in LaTeX tutorial, and in this video we'll talk about LaTeX, what is LaTeX and how it is used. Alright, first things first. So there are two terms which are pronounced as tex not tex and LaTeX not latex, and they are styled as tex and LaTeX in this way. Okay. In 1970, Donald Knuth, it's a Knuth not a Knuth, remember this. So this person introduced typesetting tool that was tex. So it was based on the several commands, and it allowed to format the document with many details such as font styles, spacing and other. For example, if someone wanted to print page numbering or any other document setting, then in each case he had to write algorithms. Later, Leslie Lamport in 1980s introduced LaTeX, which was nothing but extension of tex, and that was based on the numerous macros. For example, if someone wanted to write title, then he had to only give the command chapter \chapter. If he had to print a number style, then he had to write page numbering and then number style. LaTeX was presented as LaTeX 2.09, that was older version, and then LaTeX 2e came, which is the current version, and it is styled as LaTeX 2 epsilon. And third one will come LaTeX 3, which has not come yet. Getting started installations. For LaTeX we need to install two softwares which are LaTeX distribution and other one is editor. These are all free softwares, and most of the editors are also free. Okay. Now for Windows we will install MiKTeX with complete package distribution, and then we will install editor. Texstudio we will install, and also we will install Texmaker for the beginners. One important point is that one should always install LaTeX distribution first and then editor. Okay. So we will install now. This is the ProText which I have downloaded from the internet, and it provides a MiKTeX and Texstudio. So we'll install this. First we need to unzip this, extract to ProText. Okay, done. Just open this. Now here we can see MiKTeX and Texstudio both are there. Before installing anything, just turn off your antivirus and also firewall. So I'll turn off. This is my antivirus. So I'll turn off this one. Exit. And also I'll turn off my firewall. So from here we can turn off Windows firewall, and then turn off both, and then OK. It's not a problem. Cut this. One more point, if you have already installed MiKTeX in your system, then before installing this one you must uninstall that one. So you can uninstall from the control panel, and also make sure that there should not be any folder with the name of MiKTeX in the C drive in program 86 folder. And also if you have already installed Texstudio, then this one also you need to uninstall before installing these two. Okay. Now just go to setup and click there. So from here we can install MiKTeX and Texstudio, and also we can uninstall our older version from here. Okay, but sometime it gives an error, so better to uninstall your older version from the control panel, and also make sure that there should not be any folder with the name of MiKTeX inside program 86 folder for Windows 7, 8 and 10. And if you are using Windows XP, then there make sure that there should not be any folder with the name of MiKTeX in program file folder. Okay. Alright, so first we install MiKTeX. We can install from here, but it gives an error sometime, so I would not suggest to use this one. Exit this, go to MiKTeX folder, and go to setup. Here you can see the setup, and in the other folder all packages are there. So go to setup. So first one is for 32-bit machine, and second one is for 64-bit machine. Actually this one works for both 32 and 64-bit machines, and generally I use this one. So again I will use this one. Just click there. Now accept this, next, complete MiKTeX, it's okay, next, next. This is the path where MiKTeX will be installed. Press at next, again next, no need to change anything, and finally start. Our installation has been started, and it will take more than 20 minutes depending on your computer speed. In my case it took around 30 minutes. I have just increased the video play speed 10 times approximately in this video, so that's why it is looking very fast. Even it will take around 3 minutes, so meanwhile we'll talk again about the LaTeX. So we were discussing at this point. Next, here we have some instructions. So first we create source file, and which is saved as a text file. So we can write any name of the file, and then we write .tex, which is the correct way to write the name of the source file, okay? But you cannot use a blank space between the names. In this case your file will not run, okay? You can use a underscore or a dash symbol, and again you cannot use a dot symbol between the names. And next is the document class. Actually class is a predefined format such as article, report, book, letter, beamer, poster, etc. So first we write document class command with two brackets. In LaTeX command is written with the backslash. So this square brackets is known as optional brackets, and this curly brackets is known as argument brackets, okay? So this one is necessary for all documents, and this one is optional. Either you can use or you can leave. In either case your file will run. Inside optional brackets we can define font size, paper size, and other settings. We'll see in other videos. And next one is packages. Packages actually add some additional features in the document. So the command use package is also written with two brackets, that is optional brackets and argument brackets. And after that we write main body. So first we write document class, and then packages if you require, and then we write begin document, end document, and inside this we write all contents of the document. Okay, so we will use this example in our document. Okay, so let's back to the MiKTeX installation. And it has been installed. Next, click at close. Now we'll install the Texstudio. Just click there and OK, press at OK. Next, next, and again next, next. It's a small software, so it will not take more than 1 minute. This is the interface of Texstudio, and now we'll check whether it is working properly or not. Okay, so first we'll create a new file from here, and then I'll save this, Ctrl+S. Just create one folder and save this file with any name. Okay, as I discussed, in every document first command is document class. So first we write document class with backslash. Class I'll choose article, and then we can write packages, but here I'm not writing any package. And then I'll write document environment, begin document and end document, and all contents of the document we write inside this environment, begin document and end document. And from here we can compile our file. Just close this. Yeah, so it's working perfectly. As we can see, output file is coming here. We can check it in the particular folder where we have created our main file, that is text file actually. After installing MiKTeX, we can use any editor compatible with Windows. Okay. So now we'll use also Texmaker. Now I'll install Texmaker. It is also a small software, so it will not take more than 1 minute. Texmaker is very good editor for the beginners. Close, and this is the icon. I'll open this. So this is the interface of Texmaker, similar to Texstudio. From here or here we can create our new file, but I'll open the file which we have created in the Texstudio. Okay, so file, open this file we created. Yeah, so we can compile from here. Yeah, so it's working. So this is the PDF file. So you can use any editor, but it should be compatible with Windows. Okay, and that's all. Thanks for watching.